Scott Holbrook, President Secure Tool. So we just got through installing our antenna at the top of this pole. It's now sitting at about 21 feet or so. You see we got it secured with some ratchet straps there. We got some tape going down the length of the antenna cable, which is this black one to keep it from flapping in the wind. And there you see is the end of our antenna cable. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take a weatherproof box, put it somewhere around here so the antenna can go up into it. And here's the box that we're going to be using. And then we're going to run some PoE, power over Ethernet, through this trench that we have dug right here, all the way to that conjunction box, which has our internet as well as our power. And you can see that there is the beginning of the trench, and we will be going up to that point right there in order to attach our router to the antenna, which is sitting at about 7 meters or so. And we'll be back.